Hello everybody. Today I started preparing my fish salad. I prepare already calamari, mussel, shrimp, everything. But I got the last one I gotta cook. Okay, this you gotta cook for 1 hour. And look at this what I got over here. Or is it the head? Let's find the head first. Okay, I got it right over here. Let me put my hands inside. Look at that. And now, look at this. Oh, all right. Look how big this pulpo. Now, I want to show this, the pulpo. You gotta go on the water over here, like I say, you gotta cook it for 1 hour. But let's try to do something. Inside over here. And look what it look like. Little more. This is so big. I want to make the tentacle curly. Wow, still it's so big, so thick. But look in the back, look at that. Huh?
Just don't burn yourself. Thank you very much for the stars, everyone.
Thank you. Okay, let's see now. Oh, look how beautiful. Huh? Okay, now, this you gotta cook for 1 hour. Now, I want to tell everybody something else. When I cook the fish, calamari, shrimp, everything, I use a little salt and I use a lemon. And you squeeze the lemon.
There's a poor octopus.
And you keep this inside. Okay, keep the octopus. I say good?
Yeah.
Pulpo. Nice color. Look at that. Oh, nah. Oh, it's so hot now. Now you can't pick it up no more. Look at that.
You can see.
Look at this. So beautiful. Okay? Now, this, you gotta boil for 1 hour. And I want to show what I was preparing over here. And I got, look at the calamari, the shrimp, the scallops, a beautiful look, nice white color. But over here, still I gotta put the black hours. I'm not put it yet, cause one time you put the black hours, it started to change color. And you need the parsley. And look, see how beautiful look? It's so nice. Now, this, one time I prepare everything, I keep this in the refrigerator, but I don't put no black hours, yeah? And the parsley. You need a lot of parsley, a lot of garlic. And this, it's so good and delicious. Somebody want to see the video, the recipe, it's on YouTube. Everybody know maybe. Everybody can see this, what I got. It's so nice, and the pulpo, now it started to boil, we go see it again. Let's see the pulpo, what it look like. Oh, now, I want to try the, see, I can turn this. Oh, look at how thick this was 10 pounds. 10 pounds this one. But look at that. Oh, oh, it's so big. This one, when you cut a piece, you eat this, oh, everybody gonna enjoy this pulpo. Salute Chin Chin e thank you so much for your support and for the star. Merry Christmas e Happy New Year, Buon Natale e Buon Anno Nuovo. Let's drink together for Christmas, Natale, Buon Anno e Anno Nuovo. Salute Chin Chin e thank you so much for the star. A salute. Thank you. It's so beautiful. Look at that. Now